So I was asked to show my apparel on Amazon, and as of now we have 5 different styles and plenty different colors. We have standard t-shirts, signature t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, and long sleeve t-shirts. So this is just a few things that that's available that I got by just punching in or typing in Black Feniks hog on. And you can also put in hog on welding and just separate the hog on. So I appreciate all those who have been shopping with me and networking with us. Continue to get your hog on. Like I say, we're going to do the same. And I love to see you in your gear. So if you post something, make sure you tag us in it. Hog on.